YouTube friends. So today I was working on a cameraman Lego set, and my parents said no, but I had enough pieces to make my own. And this is Titan TV Man. He has a TV to destroy the Skibidis, and his hands can move up and down, and he has hands, and this is a sword, and this is his chest piece that he used to destroy the Skibidis, and these are his legs. And now we're going to show you the rest of all of this crew. So this is Titan Cameraman. He's another Titan, and this is his blue chest piece. This is his head, and these are the two cameras on the side. His head could go all around, and these are his legs, and these are his arms, and his head could go all the way around. Okay, that guys, you shouldn't have watched that. And this is his blue chest piece, so let's go to the next one. Oh my God, why is my man falling apart? Hold on, guys. Now this is a Skibidi Toilet, and here are his laser eyes. This is his flusher, and this is his toilet, and he has a head, and he has a rubber face, but when you put on this, these are his laser eyes, and this is what he looks like. Oh my gosh. And you can make your own of these at home. So you just need to use all your Lego pieces and use your imagination. And this stuff is from YouTube. And this is the sword toilet. I added some glasses and some of his wheels. And these are his swords. And this is what he looks like. And this is G-Man with his two blasters on the side, with his black hair. And you could also add yellow faces or peach or brown. And this is a Skibidi that saws the cameraman in half. And this is what he looks like. Okay, so I'm going to get back to building. Make sure you like and subscribe.